Ever wish you could see a little more of what's behind you when driving? This panoramic rearview mirror from BOOMIBOO really changes how much you can see. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. Today I'm showing you this chrome anti-glare panoramic mirror that gives a much wider, clearer view when you're on the road. Here's how it comes. Just a simple box, compact and neat. Once you open it, you'll see it's pretty wide, around 12 inches, and installation couldn't be easier. All you do is stretch the clips on the back, place it right over your existing mirror, and it fits perfectly. No tools, no adjustments needed. It just snaps in place. The reflection is super clear and without distortion, so you can easily see the cars behind you and even more of the sides. It also helps you keep an eye on what's happening in the back seat, especially if you have kids or pets. The anti-glare design makes driving at night so much more comfortable, and the white mirror tone keeps everything bright without straining your eyes. Overall, it's a simple, practical upgrade that gives you more confidence every time you drive. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.